Yeah, you have to add a text.
Yeah. I think we are. Oh, wait. Sorry. Are we live?
Yeah, it says meeting now streaming live on
Streaming live. Yeah, okay. Thank you. So, welcome everyone and welcome Sri V. Sriram sir.
Thanks.
Namaskaram. We are very glad to have this interactive quiz today on Music Carnival 2020. I don't have to introduce you or read your biodata because everyone who's watching will be knowing you. I just want to say one thing is that we put in a lot of effort to this. So people who are watching, just share this video on all platforms and all your pages. So thank you. Thanks a lot for watching, and over to you, Ramakrishnan and Sriram sir.
Yeah. So just let me help Ramya out first because I think she hadn't joined yesterday. So Ramya ji, what you need to look at is like whenever I click any of these questions on your top right hand side of the screen, you will see a timer that starts from 60 seconds and it will run down up to 0. Okay. So within those 60 seconds, you will hear the question being read out by the host, and then there'll be enough sufficient time for you to click on the buzzer. The buzzer will be pink, and when it's activated, it'll be on your mobile phone.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I think we can get started, sir.
Yeah, there was a cry of distress from my wife that she's not able to watch it on Facebook because it says you can't join the meeting. So can you ask somebody to please check and find out what needs to be done? Okay, so welcome everybody to this quiz. It's a very simple 4-part quiz. There are 3 rounds to begin with. And at the end of these 3 rounds, the top 3 scorers will make it to the final round. All the questions are based on the buzzer. So as soon as the question is asked and you have seen a visual or an audio or whatever, press the buzzer and the software will identify who are the first 3 people to have pressed the buzzer. And they get the opportunity to give the answer. All the questions follow the same format. The marks for the questions vary. Some of them have 100, some of them have 200, some of them 300. I'll take you through that as we go along with the questions. Remember, there is negative marking. And that negative marking comes in case, of course, firstly, you may make an error while giving an answer, in which case you lose 100 points for every wrong answer. And that is why it is very necessary for you to read the question and understand it in full before you press the buzzer. So don't just press the buzzer and hope that the rest of the question will follow and things will be all right at the end of the day. So we've got 3 rounds. The first round is called This Tune, That Song. Basically, between Carnatic music and other art forms, there's been a lot of interaction over a period of time. And we've had some tunes taken from elsewhere. Some tunes have been taken from Carnatic music and made popular in cinema, essentially. So every question here is going to play one song, and you will have to identify what is the Carnatic music composition or a song that is associated with the Carnatic music personality based upon the clip that is played. So let's go to question number 1 and have your fingers on your buzzer, but don't press it. Rama?
Yeah, I'll get started.
Yeah. Which is the famous Tamil song?
I'm sorry. Go on.
Okay. Which is the famous Tamil song whose tune was copied from this number and who sang it in Tamil? There are 2 parts to this question. Each part carries 100 marks.
I think Niharika.
Okay, then, but we need 2 others, right? Let's play the thing till we get the...
Sure. That's
Okay, we have only one brave participant, and that is Niharika. Can we have your answer, please? You have to give me the name of the song and the name of the who sang it.
I'm not. Konjum Purave. I think it is MLV Amma.
Okay, fine. You've got it. And so we begin with a bang. We've got full 2 mark. Both parts of the answer. Konjum Purave from the film Tamai Ullam, sung by M.L. Vasantakumari, 1951-52. The original is Lata Mangeshkar singing Thandi Hawaएं for the film Naujawan. So now I think you've got the hang of the way this quiz is going to go. So we continue to the next question.
1 second.
Yeah.
Sorry, I will mute everyone. If they want to talk, they can just press the space bar and unmute themselves.
Okay, this clip shows M.S. Subbulakshmi singing in the film Meera. But the tune is not an original. It has been taken from yet another famous Carnatic composition. You'll have to identify the original.
That's it.
Okay, we've just got one. Each time we are getting only one person. Other people are not able to master the buzzer, or what is
Yeah. So Sriram, how this works is there are like too many participants. You might not be able to see all of them on one row.
Also, they are pressing the buzzer.
Yeah. We might not be able to see them.
Okay, we've got Siddharth is the first one who's pressed the buzzer this time. So can we have you on screen, Siddharth?
Yeah. This is Chelinade into Sahintune, the Javali in Paris.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Nice.
So we have 100 points for this because there's just one answer to this particular question. So let's go on to question 3. Salil Chaudhary, when he set the music for this song from the film Parivar in 1956, said that he owed it to a Carnatic legend. Now who? You'll have to identify it based on the song. So Siddharth, once again, this is getting heavily one-sided.
This is from Vatapi Ganapatim, right?
That's right. And who is the Carnatic legend? That is the answer that we are looking at.
This is Muthuswami Dikshithar.
Correct. So that's the answer. So 100 points for this. So Muthuswami Dikshithar. Let's move on. This clip features K.L. Sehgal singing a song in the 1939 film Devdas. It became such a hit that the tune was copied for a very famous Tukkada, which was, however, never filmed. Which is this particular song? You'll have to identify. Venkatesh C.
Yeah, is that Punguil Kum Punjole Lorna?
That's right. That is the song. Fantastic. You've opened your score with 100. So that is Punguil Kum Solei Vorunal, which was composed by Kalki Krishnamurthy. The film Devdas was in 1936 and not 1939. Now we move on to the next question. This song This is the Kalki Krishnamurti actually. But this song is the original for the M.S. Subbulakshmi Katrinile Varum Geeta. So listen to the original and then you'll have to identify who sung it. Okay, we've got Mr. Narayan Swamy as the first person to press the buzzer. Can we have your answer?
I think it's Suraya.
It's not Suraya. Sorry, you get a negative of 100 for that. Can we have the next person on? That's Aditya Ram. Can we have your answer, please?
Sheila Sarkar.
That's right. That is Sheila Sarkar. Very unknown, but at one time HMV staffer. Lots of people, in fact, mistake it to be Jyotika Ray, but actually the correct answer is Sheila Sarkar. Thank you so much. So let's move on. Question 6. We now have a clip from the film Thiruneelakanthar of M.K. Tyagaraja Bhagavathar. This is the climactic scene with Serigalathur Shama and MKT standing next to the Chidambaram tank. And you'll hear MKT sing a song. And the question is, you'll have to identify the original Carnatic composition from which this particular tune has been taken for this song by Papanasam Sivan.
Adi devane tilli nada yadayanake adi devane tilli nada yadayanake padaravinda mallal adaram veri.
Okay, so we've got Niharika as the first person to press the buzzer. Can we have your answer, please?
Nada Bindu Kalati Namo Namo.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's not Nada Bindu Kaladi Namo Nama. Next person, Siddharth.
I'm going to say Sakhi Prana.
No, it's not Sakhi Prana either. Mr. Narayan Swamy, you're already on a debit balance. Think twice before you give an answer. You're muted. You'll have to unmute yourself.
It's a Navaroj song by Gopal Krishna Bharati, I think.
Which is the song? That is the song is what I want. Okay, I think we've exhausted the top 3 people on the buzzer. It is Mukti Alitidum Thirumulanadarai Kandu. But okay, I think we will waive Mr. Narayan Swamy's minus 100 in the first attempt and give him 100 so he's let's continue with the next one. Rama, you've made a note of that, right?
Yeah, I have brought him back to minus 100. Oh, you want me to bring him back to 0?
Yeah, because he had a 100. I mean, he had a minus 100. He answered Gopala Krishna Bharati. So let's give it to him and let's get it.
Sure.
Yeah. Next one, we have a scene from Sampurna Ramayanam. T.S. Bhagavati playing the role of Ravana, playing the Veena. C.S. Jayaraman singing his playback. And Mandodari has just asked him, Kailai Nadarai Tangal Ganatal Kavanda Ragam Yeduswami. And he begins playing Kamboji on the Veena. Now, the swaras that he is playing are directly taken from a Carnatic music composition, a very well-known Carnatic music composition. You'll have to identify it. Oh God, somebody's already pressed the buzzer. But let's still see.
Swami, Kaili Nadane, Tangal Ganatal Kavarandaraga.
Rigari Sari 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 Para Parasa Magari Saba Magari Saba Magani Nida Basani Daba Maga Parasa Kambodi.
Okay, Siddharth, let's have the answer.
This is Koniyadina Nape of Veena Kuppayar.
That's right. And we have two parts to the question. So, there's just one part. So it's just 100. Sorry. So it's 100. That's fine. Okay. Next one is a slightly tricky question. You'll have to pay attention to the song that is going to come on screen. P.U. Chinnappa singing in the 1940s.
P.U. Chinnappa singing Old Varnam.
Hang on. I'm asking the question. Leave it to me. P.U. Chinnappa singing in 1949 in the film Krishna Bhakti. It's actually a Harikatha performance. And this is one section of the Harikatha that has been taken. The entire tune of this section is copied from a very old Varnam. You'll have to identify the Varnam from which it is copied.
Okay, Sriram, before we let Aarti answer, there are two parts to this question. So it's the Varnam as well as the composer. Right?
That's right. So it carries 200 points in effect, 100 and 100. Yeah. So let's have the answer, Aarti.
Mate Samas.
It's not Mate.
Sorry.
No, the answer is -100. Next one, Mr. Narayan Swamy. Unmute yourself, please.
It's a Kamas Varnam, which is Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga.
I'm not looking for the Arohanam Arohanam, sir. I need the Varnam.
Composer theriyadu.
No.
I don't remember the words. I remember only this Varnam. So.
No. Can we get yeah, Siddharth?
This is Samini Ramanave, the Kamas Padavarnam of the Tanjavur Quartet.
No. This is Enthanine Telupudura.
Yeah, go on.
This exact passage.
Sorry, they couldn't hear you because the buzzer was there. So
okay, it is Enthanine Telupudura of Subrama Dikshita. Musri Subramaniar actually has sung it very often, and that school they sing this Varnam quite frequently. Anyway, let's move on to the last question in this particular round.
Sorry, before you open the question, I think when the moment you open the question, the buzzer timing starts. Right. So is it possible to ask the question and then open it?
Okay, sure. I'll do that. No problem at all. Okay, the next one is it's again a Harikatha. It's a 1949, strangely enough, both films are from the same year. 1949 clip of N.S. Krishnan performing a Harikatha, which is entirely based on Nandan Charitram. But the story is about a poor boy from a village wanting to go to the city for education. Just like Nandan wanted to go from his village to Chidambaram to have darshan of the Lord, this Harikatha is all about a poor boy wanting to go from his village to Madras city to have education. So you'll hear the clip. You'll have to identify the character. The main character in Nandan Charitram is Nandan. Who is it in this particular story? It's a very famous Harikatha of N.S. Krishnan.
கொஞ்சம் பொருளை தாருமே உங்கள் பூசு காலை போற்றினே கண்ணால் பாருமே.
Okay. Can we have the answer? Janani Ramji?
Is it Nalla Thambi?
The film is Nalla Thambi, yes. But who is the character?
Nandanar.
No.
Fine, I guess. Okay.
It's based on Nandan Charitram, but
Is
it's
it
not Nandanar.
wrong or?
Yeah.
It's wrong. It's not correct. Sorry. That- Niharika.
Is it N.S. Krishnan?
No, that I've already said. I'm asking you for the name of the central character. Just like you had Nandan Charitram, what did N.S. Krishnan call this? It's a very, very famous Harikatha of his.
Yeah, I think we'll have to move to the next person.
Okay, so next person, yeah, go on. The third one.
So it was the original was Nandanar. So this is Kindanar, Kindan Charitram.
That's right. It is Kindan Charitram. Kindan Charitram is the name of and the whole character is Kindan. Right through it's just like M.R. Radha doing a Kimayanam for Ramayanam. NSK did Kindan Charitram for Nandan Charitram. That's the whole thing. Now we come to the last one. Here you have a very famous Carnatic music artist, a Carnatic musician, singing in a film. He begins with Marubalka, and then he goes on to spoof an opera. Actually, the whole song is 3.5 minutes, but we are playing only a very small clipping of it. It's a brilliant performance, starting with Marubalka and then going on to an opera. You'll have to identify the voice of this musician. Yeah, you'll have to identify. I already noticed somebody has got on to the buzzer. Can we have Venkatesh C? Can we have your answer?
Balamurali Krishna. Mr. Balamurali Krishna.
I'm sorry, it's not Balamurali Krishna. Janani Ramji.
It's GNB?
Sorry, I don't think GNB yeah, we've got Sai Shruti. Yes, please. You'll have to unmute yourself. Sai Shruti.
I think I don't know the answer. I was about to guess GNB.
No, I'm sorry. It's actually S. Balachandar from the film Idu Nijama 1948, based on Wonder Man.
Sorry, suddenly my screen just went off. To show this.
Your screen, Asan?
Yeah, it just says something is wrong while displaying the web page.
The web page on your mobile phone.
Yeah.
Who is this, Niharika?
Yeah, Niharika.
Can you reload that screen again?
Let's wait for a few minutes so that she also comes on.
Oh, it says, would you like to rejoin the game? You were just...
Yes. Yeah.
Rama, are you giving us the scores at the end of the first round?
No, I won't be able to. I can actually. Are you back in?
I just got this, so that means I'm back in.
Yeah, you're back in. Yeah.
Okay.
So the top scorers. Okay, I'll start from here. I'll say the positive scorers are Aditya Rangan, Siddharth. Yeah, and Siddharth. Siddharth is leading with 200 points and Aditya Rangan with 100. Okay. And the rest of them are 0 or languishing in the negatives.
Okay. We'll get them all into the positive. And I hope all of you have had dinner and you're not hungry, because this round is going to make you feel hungry. Every question in this round is a recipe for a dish. And each of these dishes appear in one Carnatic music composition or the other. For a long time, I had the ambition of writing a book called Cook and Sing. I never managed to get around to doing that, but I finally decided that I will include this round in the quiz. So every question is a recipe. You'll have to identify the Carnatic music composition that is, I'll show you now. Let's move on to the first question, and then I'll take it forward from there. I'll read it out to you. I'm sorry, Bharat, this question I'll have to read out. Is that okay? You said that.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
That's fine. That's
okay.
fine.
So the nipattu is a deep fried rice cracker made of rice flour, peanuts, chiroti rava, sesame seeds, and makes for a fabulous evening snack, especially in Karnataka monsoons. The kind of nipattu you get depends on the quality and quantity of the rice you use. Just as God appears in whatever form we imagine him to be, Vishnu, Devi, Bhairava, etc. M.S. Subbalakshmi made this kriti very famous, the tune in Vrindavana Saranga, for which was set by Kadayanallur Venkatraman. What is the song we are referring to here, and who is the composer? One is Harish Krishna.
Yeah, this is Enta Matramu by Annamacharya.
That's right. Enta Matramuna Evvari Talachina Anta Matrame Neevu Antarantaramuna Lenchi Chupina Pindante Nipati Annatlu. Just as the quality of the nipati that comes out depends upon the rice, so you are based. People imagine you to be Bhairava, you are Bhairava. You are Vishnu, you are Vishnu. If they imagine you to be Devi, you are Devi. So this is the composition. So it begins with the nipattu. Okay, let's move on to the next question. You take, this is a proper recipe. You take wheat and grind it. Then you make vermicelli out of it. You heat a pan, roast the vermicelli slightly, and then add milk. Keep stirring with a ladle till the vermicelli is fully cooked. Then add sugar to it and cool. This makes for a tasty dish, which, as the song notes, will also make you let out burps of satisfaction. Oh, sorry, the previous question, Rama, it had it had the song and it had the composer. Okay. There were two parts to it. Remember that?
Okay. Sure.
Here we've got, again, which is the song that gives this recipe and who is the composer? We're not having anybody. I thought this was a sitter of a question. Vermicelli. So your mother, Siddharth, has obviously been making a lot of this dish, I can see, your mother. So come on. So we've got Siddharth here. So Siddharth, come on, what's the answer?
Is this payasam? So Ramanama payasa kare from Purandaradasa.
That's right. So you've got the answer. Excellent. So it's a simple question. Ramanama payasa ke Krishnanama shakkare.
So 200 points, right?
Yeah, 200 points here. Let's continue to the third.
Me as well in the earlier question. And this is Harish, because I had answered.
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, that was
Harish
Harish.
Answered the earlier question, right? Yeah, that was Enta Matramuna. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now we go on to the third question of the second round. Let's have that.
Do I get twice 100 for the first question? For answering.
Yeah, you've identified the composer and the song and the raga. I mean the composition. So you get 200.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on to
Rama, you forgot to update that.
No, I did.
Okay. Now this is again a simple one. The main ingredients are sesame seeds and rice, but we do complicate things a little. You roast chana dal and urad dal and then roast sesame seeds as well. Peanuts are optional. You powder this combo well in a blender and mix thoroughly with cooked rice. Then you heat oil, add curry leaves, mustard and cumin seeds, and wait for the mustard seeds to splatter. You add this to the rice and powder mixed earlier. Sesame rice is now ready, the kind that you will get in temples on certain days of the week. Now, this recipe is not given in any composition, but the dish is given. Which song mentions this dish and who is the composer? Mr. Narayan Swamy and anybody else? Okay, so let's have the answer from Mr. Narayan Swamy.
Divakara Tanujam by Muthuswami Dikshita.
That's right. It is the Tilathaila Vishnukarna Deepa Priyam Divakara Tanujam by Muthuswami Dikshita. Yellu Sadam, that is the Peter name for Yellu Sadam is sesame rice. And so let's move on. Yeah.
Rama.
Yeah.
Rama, sorry, just one thing. Before, can you press the correct right button after he announces the ragam, the answer, because it's clashing. The sound is clashing.
Okay.
After Sriram sir says the answer.
Yeah, I cannot do that for the negative though, because we have to move on to the next question and we are running over time right now.
Sure. Okay. Yeah.
Ram, I'm not being combative or anything, Ramkrishnan, but I was 0 and I thought that question had the song and the composer.
Yeah, 200 there.
200 but not that. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Please remind us.
Okay, can we move on? The next one. Best fried. This side dish can also be roasted. It can be made with lentil or rice flour mixed with the juice of a creeper called pirandai. You add jeera, black pepper and salt, some asafoetida, and then pound in a pestle. Then you roll these using a rolling pin into flat shapes. You dry well, and then you store them for future use. What is this dish? Which is the song? And who is the composer? So there are 3 parts to this particular answer. Make sure that you've got all 3. Now we've got Niharika as the first one. Please, can we have your answer?
Is it Appalam Ittupar by Ramana Maharishi?
And the dish is the?
Appalam.
That's right. So you've got it. Excellent. Let's move on. Okay. Next we come to 15. The Chidambaram temple complex is actually a twin shrine comprising Thillai Ambalam, which houses Nataraja, and Tiruchitrakutam, which houses Govindaraja. Legend has it that you can stand at one spot and see Nataraja with your right eye and Govindaraja with your left. A composer beautifully brings out this dualism in a composition where he says Pittu and Vadai are offered to Nataraja and Puliyodare and Dadyannam to Govindaraja. Which song is this and who is the composer? We already have one, I think, or we've got more.
No, I was.
Yeah, so can we go ahead, Rama?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, Siddharth?
Yeah, this is Thillai Ambalathanai Govindarajanai by Gopalakrishna.
Ambalathanai. Yeah, and who is the composer?
Gopalakrishna Bharati.
Okay, good, excellent. So let's move on. Next, how are we doing on time, Rama?
We are just a bit over, Sriram. It's okay.
Okay, good. As per the GI tag documents filed, this item was introduced at this temple. Somebody is pressed. Anyway, on August 2nd, 1715. Initially sold in loose form, of which we have records from 1803, it was made into the form we know of it from 1940. Around 3 lakh pieces are made every day and comprise ghee, besan, raisins, cardamom, cashew, sugar crystals, and sugar. It is believed that its Sanskrit name appears in a song composed by Muthuswami Dikshitar, though this may not be strictly correct, as the word can also mean ambrosial, which is what this dish is anyway. So what is the dish? What is the word? Which is the song? Which is the temple that we are talking about? 400 points for this if you get it right.
Am I audible?
We've got Aditya Ram already on the buzzer.
It is the Tirupati Laddu and Amrita Saram in Shankachakra Gadapani.
That's right. So there are all 4. He's got 400. I think he's this way.
Yeah, sorry, Sriram.
No, that's okay. So he just shoots up ahead of the rest. So that's what I was trying to say. So
Is it possible to mute your tab, Rama?
Till I have to use my video and audio. Yeah, I can mute. Let me see if that works.
Okay.
No, I can't. I have to hear you guys.
Right click on your tab and mute tab.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you, but can you repeat that?
You can right click on your tab up above and mute tab. On your tab. On this tab, interactive quiz on music no tab. Yeah.
Okay.
Next question. Tyagaraja's Kriti Aragimpave is well known, and in it he offers the Lord milk. The opening line may have been inspired by an earlier composer's Aragimpavaya, Mrokkemaya, Mayaya in Nadanama Kriya, which offers Tyagesha of Tiruvarur a feast. Among the dishes are juices, pongal, morkorambu, vadam, puri fried in ghee, dosa, idli, pickles, skinned dry fruits, sweets, mixed rice, payasam, honey, thick curds, curd rice, pulihora, spiced buttermilk, Ganges water, and tambulam. Only a king could have offered such a feast. Name the composer and the collection of which this song is a part. So we've got, I think, Archana already as the first person on this. Yes, Archana? Archana, you have to mute yourself.
Is it Shahaji Maharaja's Pallaki Seva Prabandham?
Since you know all the songs in it, you don't have to pretend it's Pallaki Seva Prabandham and all that. It is. So you get 100 over there. Let's move on.
200, right?
Yeah, because two parts, King Shahaji and Pallaki Seva Prabandham.
Yeah.
18. Pulihora in the previous question reminds us of a composer whose name was suffixed to this dish because of the skill with which he made it at a temple kitchen. Using the mudra Padmapuri Varada, he created many songs on a Perumal temple at Koletpet near Tiruvattriyur. His brother too had a prefix after an animal. Both brothers were associated with Kalakshetra, and the brother with an animal prefix has a road named after him in that area. But you have to now identify the other brother, the Pulihora brother, the Pulihora brother. So we have, I think, one person already, Siddharth.
So this is K.V. Krishnamacharya or Veena Krishnamacharya.
100 points there. Also known as Pulihora Krishnamacharya, because the skill with which he made the dish in the particular temple. Okay. The month of Margazhi gives way to Thai when the Pongal festival is celebrated. This composition anticipates it by describing Shakkarai Pongal, rice boiled with milk and dripping with ghee in a way that it trickles down to the elbows. Which is the song? Who is the lyricist who set it to tune, in which it is usually sung now? So there are two parts to it. So, so 3 parts to it. Which is the song? Who is the lyricist and who set it to the tune? So there are 3 parts. Venkatesh, I think, has already pressed the buzzer. So let's ask.
It's Thirupavai Kudare Velum Sir Govinda.
Yeah.
And I think it's Srinivasa Iyengar who set the tune.
No, we'll give you the other 2 points. Essentially, there are 300 points here. So we'll give you the other 2 points, Kudare Velum, as well as the fact that it is Andal's Thirupavai. But we will deduct 100 because it's not Srinivasa Iyengar. It's Ariyakudi Ramanuja Iyengar who set it to tune.
Okay.
So in all 100, right?
In all 100, that's right.
I answered 2-0 for what wrong?
Yeah, 1 wrong, right? So you get 100. Last one on this round.
Just a minute, clarification. Is my bus coming in though I'm Anirudh?
I haven't seen your buzz till
not
now.
at all. We didn't see it even.
Yeah, I've pressed it quite a number of times. I don't think it turns up on the screen.
Oh, no, it's like fastest finger first.
The fastest 3 get it. The first 3 people on the buzzer get the chance. So you'll have to be quicker on the buzzer.
Okay, yeah, probably I'll try that next time.
Yeah. Last question in this round. At the end of a meal, nothing like a great pan to round off the experience. Who else but Purandara Dasa to offer it? And he makes a delectable preparation via Goddess Lakshmi, crushed betel nuts, cloves, cardamom, slivers of other nuts, lime made of pearls. Which song are we talking about over here? 100 points. And Sai Shruti is the first one on the buzzer.
Unmute yourself, Sai Shruti.
I guess I don't know that. I thought of a different answer.
Okay, then you lose 100. Can we have the next person in? Venkatesh?
Yeah, it's Bhagyada Lakshmi.
No, it's not. Sorry. Can we move on to the next person? Niharika?
I thought the same, Bhagyada Lakshmi.
Tambulava Kullu. A very famous composition that Vasanta Kumari used to sing in Riti Gaula, particularly. It used to be a popular song at one time. But anyway, so that brings us to the end of this round. And so, Rama, what is the score? Can you tell us before we move on, or would you like us to move ahead?
No, sure. So leader is Siddharth with 700 points. We have Aditya Rangan following closely on his heels with 500 points. Then Niharika and Hari Krishna and Archana with 200 points each, and also Mr. Bala.
Okay, we are going to have a tie for the third position.
Looks like it. Yeah.
We don't have a question for that. So what are we going to do for that to break the tie?
I haven't. Yeah, I haven't thought of that, Sriram, and I'm praying it doesn't happen. Let's see.
Okay, let's see. I'll have to ask some question out of my hat.
Yeah.
I'll think about it at that time. Okay.
And before we move on, there are people in the audience asking if there are any one or two questions for the audience after the whole quiz.
சரி பண்ணிட்டா போச்சு கொஞ்சம் யோசனை பண்ணி பண்ணிடலாம் ஏதாவது செட்டப் பண்ணி
சரி.
But it will be some very Carnatic summer kind of question because
sure.
Okay. Anyway, let's move on. We come to complete the picture. Now here, this set of questions is structured like this. You will have two pictures. There'll be a picture on the left, there'll be a picture on the right. Between these two pictures, they complete a composition. You'll have to identify the song. So, for instance, suppose we had Ariyakudi on one side and K.V. Narayan Swami on the other. Then the composition would be Sri Vishnu Pada Chintana Bhaktavaryam, which KVN composed on Ariyakudi for his centenary. So that's how we look at this. So you'll have a picture on the left, a picture on the right. You have to identify which composition it signifies. Let's move to question 1 of the third round, which is the last round for this set. What is the composition here? And have people already pressed, Rama?
Yeah, Siddharth has.
Okay, any other? Because we should wait before they...
Yeah, I think, three of them have already pressed. The timer has stopped there.
Siddharth, can we get on with it?
Yes, this is Santatam Pahimam, which is ripped off from God Save the...
Not ripped off. It is ripped off. That is the correct word that we use, inspired. So, come on. Get on with it. Okay, so he gets it 100 points over here for this particular one. Santatam Pahimam by Muthuswami Dikshit. Then let's go to the next one. Yeah. Sure. I think we must have a ban on Siddharth, but he is trying to break the Aditya Rangan catching up just behind him on his heels tightly.
Yeah, we have 3 buzzers already. We can get started. Siddharth.
Okay, so what is the composition here? Siddharth, your number 1.
Yeah, so this is Gopalakrishna Bharati Sache Vilagi Irumpillai on Valimarai Thirukku.
Very good. I would have given you marks for either, so it doesn't matter. It is I had either Sache Vilagirum or Valimarai Thirukku, and the temple is Tirupungur, where the Nandi is positioned on one side to signify that particular composition. Next one. Look carefully at the picture before you make a choice.
Yeah, Sriram, we have 3 buzzers already.
So they have already committed themselves. Harish Krishna.
Wait, so you need something specific.
What is the composition that is depicted in this picture?
Aurangashai.
Why?
Because of the Alankaram.
What is that Alankaram?
I'm just thinking.
No, it's not part of the question. I was just pulling your leg. It is Aurangashai because Mutyala Shara Uramuna, that means in Muttangi Seva, the Sri Ranganatha. So it is on Vaikuntha Ekadashi day that Tyagaraja has visited that particular shrine and he has composed that song. So that's why it is, but it's 100 points only. So anyway, we move on. You've given the answer. Next one. Very simple. It's a sitter of a question. I don't need to spend too much of time. We already have people buzzing. So Harish
already.
Is I think is it Harish the first one? Yes. Yeah, Harish is the first one. Harish, yeah.
Kanakan Kodi Vendum by Papanasam.
That's right. It is Kanakan Kodi Vendum Papanasam Sivan. Okay, here I'm not going to ask the question. Let's see what the answer is. And based on the answer, I'll see whether my question fits the answer. If the question is fits the answer, then you get the point. So come on, tell me what is it that you're going to say. Harish Krishna.
This is Bangalore Nagaratnam writes on Namakkal Nursing Matter. It's she imagines herself to be a Devadasi. It's a Matada Bharateno and Kamas.
That's right. It is Matada Bharateno. It ends with the line Namagiri Narahariye Nyayave. And so that's fabulous that you, because I was wondering when I put this question as to whether people will get the answer. It's fantastic that you were able to do that. Anyway, let's continue. So, oh God, I don't have to say anything. So you've got Dhanama on one side. You've got Dharmapuri Subbarayar on the other side. So the composition, so we've got, have people buzzed already?
Yeah, we have 3 already.
Siddharth?
So this is the Javali Sakhi Prana Sakuditu in Chenjuriti composed on Dhanamal.
Okay, I give it to you. My answer, this is fabulous. You have made me think differently today because I was having Smara Sundaranguni in mind. But yes, I agree with you. Sakhi Prana equally fits the bill. So I'll give you 100 points for that answer. I didn't even think of Sakhi Prana when I said it. Good, fabulous. Let's continue. A sitter of a question. Yes, Harish Krishna.
Is this that Sabhapatik
That's right, it is Sabhapatik Veridevam. You've got Tyagaraja, you've got Gopala Krishna Bharati, and the composition links the two of them. Next one. Here you've got Nalwadi Krishna Rajendra Udayar and Harikesanallur Muttaya Bhagavatar. And so I think Aditya Rangan was the first. You look at the picture very carefully before you answer.
Malaya Dwaja, where the word Nalvati Shri Krishna Rajendra.
I'm sorry, you'll have to look very carefully at the picture. I said that. So that is not the answer that I'm looking for. It does fit the bill, but then the picture has got a certain clue, which you should have looked at very carefully. The second one, Harish Krishna.
Is this that Senjuriti Tillana?
No, I'm sorry, it's not that one. We now move to, I think, Archana, who is the third.
Is it the Hamir Kalyani Tillana? Udanata?
It's not. You can see the clue was those two lines across the lips of the king. He had answers in his mouth, so he could not press his lips. So Muttaya Bhagavatar created a raga called Niroshtha, which does not have pa and ma in it, so that you don't have to press your lips. And he composed a composition, Raja Raja Radite, which is in that particular raga Niroshtha. So that was the answer that I was looking for. Let's move. Okay, look carefully and answer. Nobody is attempting? It's a simple question. Lot of worship happening on one side with Svaratar, Pushni. Then you've got Swati Tirunal on the other side. Yes, Anirudh ER.
No, that was a...
But your buzzer works. Now we know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Has anybody else got? Come on, attempt it. Siddharth, you're so high up on the rank, you're not going to lose any marks. Aditya Rangan also, I think your position is all assured. So come on.
So I'm going to say these are the Navaveda Bhakti Kritis of Swati Tirunal.
No. I drew you into it, but no, it is not. Okay, anybody else has pressed?
Yeah, Siddharth.
Siddharth was the one who just answered now.
Then he gets a -100, right?
Yeah, he gets
Oh, then it should have been Anirudh who...
Yeah, but Anirudh said he didn't have an answer. If you remember, he said he pressed the buzzer by mistake.
Okay, I didn't hear.
So the clue here is, can I go ahead because there's nobody else who's pressed it?
Yeah.
Okay, the clue here is, this is Navami, Ayudha Puja. All the buses are being worshipped. Swati Tirunal's Navami Kriti is Pahi Parvata Nandini in his Navaratri Kritis. So that was the connection between the buses being worshipped and Swati Tirunal over there. We now, I think, come to the last question in the quiz. Can we have the question, please? So there is Krishna. There are the 9 gems in the middle, and then there is Annamaya on this side. So what is it that we are looking at? We already have Harish Krishna on the buzzer.
This is Muddugare Yashoda.
That's right. It is Muddugare Yashoda. So we come to an end of the first 3 rounds on the quiz. Congratulations to all the winners and thank you to all the participants. Siddharth, you're up top at 900. Harish Krishna is at 600. Aditya Rangan is 400. So these 3 make it to the buzzer round, right? The rapid fire round. And the others, thank you very much for having participated in the quiz. We really enjoyed having you with us. Thanks a ton.
Hey, thanks a lot. But can you hang around and watch that round, or we just...
Definitely. You're
How
most
do they do
welcome.
that, Rama?
They can just hang around in the Zoom meeting. But only 3 of them can play the next one.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be stopping.
Fascinating quiz. Many thanks. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll need a couple of minutes, Sriram.
Yeah.
to set
I
up
also
the next
need a
one.
couple of minutes. I have to take all the answers for that one. So I'll never otherwise.
All right.
Anyway, you have the answers. I don't have to worry.
Yeah.
Thanks to everyone for actually registering and participating in the quiz.
Yeah, thanks a
It's
lot.
amazing seeing all of you. So, do we use this time to actually prepare for the audience question?
Mama, thank you, Bharat. Thank you for reminding me that I haven't done my homework well on that one.
Oh, please, you can just ask something off the cuff.
Okay. How do we ask the audience now? How does it work?
Just address the audience. Wait,
Okay,
I'll pin you.
Since I'm one of the... Okay, what happened now? Do we continue?
I
can ask, right?
Yeah, go on.
Okay, it has to be a Music Academy related question because I don't have questions from the Music Academy. Okay, we have had, I think, around 90 Kalanidhis so far. So, who is the youngest performing musician to have received the Sangeeta Kalanidhi in terms of age? The youngest performing musician to have received the Sangeeta Kalanidhi. Or rather, to put it differently, this particular musician it still holds the record for having been the youngest when that particular musician was given the Sangeeta Kalanidhi. So that is my question number 1.
I knew you would ask these questions.
You knew that musician is always sitting on my head. That is the other problem.
Of course.
Okay. Then any other question you want?
I mean, if you can, just one more.
So, in the concept of Sri Vidya, the concept of alchemy, that is, you make a precious metal out of various non-precious metals. This is a very common practice in Sri Vidya. They all try to make beads, Chintamani beads, from which they can tell the names of the Devi. So alchemy is a very important aspect of Sri Vidya. There is one composition of Muthuswami Dikshita where he visits a particular temple where the Lord is supposed to have been an alchemist himself. He transformed brass into gold in that particular temple. So I want to have the name of the composition. In that composition, the second sentence mentions alchemy. So I want you to think carefully and come up with the answer. First one was the youngest Kalanidhi. Second is on Muthuswami Dikshita, which is the composition where the second sentence mentions alchemy and it is composed at a temple where the Lord himself was an alchemist.
Superb. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so now we go on to the buzzer.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a rapid fire round. Each question, I think, gets only 10 seconds.
Yeah, that's right, Sriram. But before that, can you check if, like it's Aditya Rangan, Siddharth, and who is the third one?
It's me, Harish.
Harish. Yeah, can you check if you can update your name on these mascots?
I think you can.
Yeah, it says meerkat, lioness, and polar bear. So we'll have to change.
Yeah, Harish has managed to change his name.
Harish has changed, yes.
All right. I think we are ready, Sriram.
Changed.
Okay, now there are 5 rounds in this. In this rapid fire round, there are 5 rounds, and each round has got 5 questions. And each of the 5 has a theme. So the first one is fill in the raga name. So you'll have the name of a personality with a dash in front of the personality. You'll have to fill in the raga name. And in this also, we have all 3 of them participating. They can do 1, 2, 3. The first one has not got the answer, Rama.
Yeah, they can. All the 3 can participate. That's right.
Okay, that's fine then. Okay, so let's get on with the first one. You'll have to fill in the raga names. So let's go to number 1. Dash Marthandam Pillai. Siddharth?
This is Bilahari Marthandam Pillai.
That's right. Gemini Ganesan performed an unforgettable role as Bilahari Marthandam Pillai. The next one.
Just a second.
Dash Narasayyar. Come on, Harish and Aditya, give Siddharth some competition.
Already pressed.
So I'm going to say this is Shankarabaranam Narasayyar.
Okay. Let's get on to the next one. Dash Sitaramayar.
Siddharth.
Yeah, this is Todi Sitaramayar.
I think we must now have a mute facility for Siddharth so he doesn't press the buzzer.
Just a second.
Get the others.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
You are audible.
Able to see anything on the screen?
What?
Like I see all our faces. I don't know.
Is that Aditya?
Yes.
You can see me?
I can see everybody's faces, but I don't see the shared screen.
You don't? Okay. What about the others?
I can see this.
Okay. I think it's something to do with your device, Aditya. Let's see what we can do. So, you can see all the other people in the call. Only
Yeah,
not
I
the shared
can.
screen.
Yeah, can you actually stop sharing and
Yeah,
share
I'm
it
going
again?
to do that. Yeah. How about now?
I see it now. Yes.
Perfect. All right. Shall I move
Now you
on to
must
the
give
next
some
question?
competition to Siddharth now that you are able to see the screen. So, come on, let's get you moving. So question 4, Dash Narasimha Iyengar. What, Siddharth, you have not read Dr. S. Sita's Tanjavur as a seat of music, huh?
Okay, it's the timer is.
Time is
now.
over? Okay,
Yeah.
this is Kedara Gaula Narasimha Iyengar, the guru of Namakkal Narasimha Iyengar, the famous guru, also known as Kedara Gaula Narasimha Iyengar. Okay, the next one. Dash Patnam Subramanya Iyer. Patnam itself is a prefix, but he had one more based on a raga.
Oh yeah, me at last. This is Begada Patnam Subramanian.
Is that Harish, right?
Harish,
Yeah.
Yeah, good. So this Begada.
It's like MS Gopalakrishnan, sir.
Another.
Like MS Gopalakrishnan. Madras Paru.
Okay, the next set is each one of these musicians had a technique as their prefix. So it is like Rettai Pallavi Krishna Iyer. It's like that, you know. So they would have a technique, a Carnatic music technique as Murukku Mise, Jigi Bigi, Nayag, Ghananaya Desya Rettai Pallavi Krishnaya. So that was his full title. So like that, here you have a set of musicians. Each one of them has got a prefix to his or her name. So you'll have to identify the prefix. All techniques, just like that one was raga. So let's go with it.
Aditya.
Yeah, we have 3 buzzers.
Pallavi Seshayar.
Pardon?
Pallavi Seshayar.
That's right. It is Pallavi Seshayar. Next. Everybody. But I think the first is Aditya.
Ghanam Krishnayar.
That's right. Ghanam Krishnayar. Then the next one.
This is again Ghanam Sinaya.
That's right. Ghanam Sinaya.
Come on.
People are slow on the bus.
Yeah.
No, the timer has run down. So
Yeah, that's okay. The clue was there. Chaukam Veerabhadraya. Okay, next. This is a sitter. So we've got Aditya first on the buzzer.
Shatakala Govindamara.
Yeah, Shatkala Govindamara. So that's fine. Okay, next one. Here you've got famous musicians listed, but all their names had a historic error in it, or there was a change of name. It was not their original name. They became famous because of a new name. I mean, not because of the name, but they were very talented, but they became famous, and a new name was what really was attached to that fame. Their old name was forgotten in the process. So you will have to, like for instance, we all know that Purandaradasa's original name was Srinivasa Nayak. But if you tell somebody Srinivasa Nayak composed this song, nobody is going to accept it. It's all Purandaradasa, right? So it's like that. So let's look at this set of 5. You will have to give the correct names or the original names. And the error is marked in inverted commas. So you know which aspect is wrong. You'll have to correct that.
Shall I get started?
Yeah, please.
So this is Subramaniam.
That's right. Kanchipuram Subramanya Pillai was his real name. The aunt Periya Dhanakoti referred to him as Naina very dearly. So that is how he became Naina Pillai over a period of time. So next we have,
3, 2, 1, and the timer has run down.
Yeah, so he was not from Musiri. He had nothing to do with Musiri. He was from a village called Bomalapalayam. But they said this won't sound nice. So Musiri they changed it and gave him the name Musiri Subramanya Iyer. That's how he became famous. Bomalapalayam Subramanya Iyer sounds terrible, frankly. So that is how he was. We all know him as Mani Iyer only. But he was not Mani Iyer.
Come on.
Simple answer.
Okay, the time. Yeah, the timer is down.
Okay, so Ramaswamy was his real name. Yeah. We all know this whole name is just a name. It was given by some people when they saw him in Vibhuti and Rudraksham and wearing a 4-cubit dhoti in the village of Ganapati Agraharam. They said, Shivan has come from Papanasam to see us. Because they asked him, where have you come from? He said, I've come from Papanasam. So they said, Shiva himself has come from Papanasam. So he became Papanasam Shiva. But that was not his real name. So we've got Siddharth as the first. Siddharth is the first one. Yes, please.
This is Polagam Ramaya is his actual name.
In fact, in the Music Academy, we have a cartoon of his where he has autographed it as P.R. Sivan. His autograph is there on it. Okay, next one. Yeah, this is a tough one. The famous Harikatha exponent Bunny Bai was not Bunny Bai. There was a neighbor who was a Marwadi, and when he saw the baby, he said she's so chubby and fair complexion, she's a Baniya, like him. So she became Baniya Bai, which over a period of time became Bani Bai. And in Tamil, they used to write Panni Pai when she used to come on to do Harikatha. So she dropped the in the middle and became Pani Bai. So it's B-A-N-I, B-A-I. But her real name was not Bani Bai. So what was her real name? Anyway, Aditya. Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard in one of your own lectures it's Alumelu Manga is what I remember.
That's right, it is. I give it to you. Full marks for listening to all the nonsense that I have said over the years. Tayaramma is the correct name, but I give it Alumelu Manga, it's fine. So let's go on. Then Trinity. Now this entire round is based on the Trinity. And everywhere there is a blank. You have to fill in the blank based upon what we have on the Trinity. Let's move ahead. Complete the list. Thiruvayyaru, Lalgudi, Srirangam, Thiruvattriyur. Aditya?
Kovur.
Kovur, that's right. It is Kovur because all 5 places have got Pancharatnams dedicated in their respective locations. Next one. Varadaraja, Neela Yatakshi, Kamakshi, and Siddharth.
This is all the this is Dharma Samvardhani, the deities on which the Trinity composed. All of the Trinity composed.
All places where all the Trinity composed. That's right. So Dharma Samvardhini. Then next question. Complete the list. Pancharatnams, Vibhakti Kritis, Vara Kritis, Nabha Varnam. Harish?
The Panchabhuta Kritis.
You caught me out on that one. Let me see if somebody else has got a better answer. Siddharth?
Either Meenakshi Navaratna Malika or Ratnatraya Swarajati.
No, it was Navaratna Malika, but I think we have to give Harish also marks on that one. Panchabhuta Kritis and Navaratna Malika. You caught me out on that one, Harish. Fantastic. It did not even occur to me when I wrote those questions that this possibility is also there. Fantastic. Okay, yeah. Next one.
So, Sriram, 100 to Siddharth as well, or we?
Yeah, 100 and 100 because I moved it to. So that's sure. Then complete the next one. Balajapet, Umayalpuram, dash. Siddharth.
Sanam, disciple lineages of
Tyagaraja. Then the last one. Pancharatnam, Divyanama Kritis, dash.
Utsava Sampradayam.
That's right. Okay, now this next one is identify me. So there is a clue, there is a question on the personality. You will have to identify who that person is. Go ahead, Rama. I composed 108 kritis on Goddess Chamundi and 108 kritis on Lord Shiva. Siddharth?
Muttaya Bhagavatar.
Correct.
You bust in before it even opens up for me.
Which one? The buzzer is not opening.
No, the questions are not coming. It's already buzzed. Exactly. Our problem.
It's a network problem then. For you, maybe it's the speed.
Yeah. No, our network problem, not his.
I know your network problem. Correct. Yeah. Okay. Then we go to the next one. Mahavaidyanatha Sivan became famous because he took my Bahattari and made it into a Mela Raga Malika. Harish?
Oh wait. This is the Marathi composer. I forget his name. I'm sorry. I don't know. Pass.
Have we run out of time, Rama?
Yeah.
Siddharth?
Okay, I think it's Lavani Venkatarao.
Right. It is Lavani Venkatarao.
Lavani
Venkatarao. Yeah. The longest kriti in existence is my work. Harish?
This is Ramaswamy Dikshitar's.
That's right. This is Ramaswamy Dikshitar. Natakadi Vidyala, that is the composition. As per one of my songs, I created 475,000 compositions. Who am I?
Is this Kshetranya?
No, sorry. Poetic justice. We give him 100 negative points for that. Let's move on to Harish.
Is this Purandaradasa?
That's right. Vasudeva Namuraliya says that he composed 475,000 compositions. That's right. Now, the last one. on this particular round. Rama, you'll have to put it on screen because if you remember, I made a change and I have not noted it in this file. So
Okay. Sure.
I was a female student of Muthuswami Dikshitar, and he composed the song Vadanyeshwaram at my village. Identify me.
This is Dasi Kamalam.
Sorry, it is not Dasi Kamalam. By elimination, there is just one more. Anyway, we'll have him. Harish, tell me.
Oh yeah, that's what I was about to guess. The village is Valalar Kovel near Mayiladurai.
Yes.
I forget the name.
Valalar Kovel is very easily identified from Vadanyeshwaram. So
Valalar Kovel Ammai.
It's not Ammai, it's Ammani. Valalar Kovil Ammani. We'll grant it to you.
Good one.
Okay. Next one, the last round. Now we've got a clue on a composition. Every question is a translation of a part of a famous composition. You'll have to identify the song. So let's go on to that one. Can a Somayaji hope to go to heaven when his wife is seeking satisfaction elsewhere? Harish?
This is Amy Jesitemi in Toru.
No, it's not Amy Jesitemi. Not bad, but I can't give you the answer because it doesn't come there. The proper reference is another composition. Amy Jesitemi is in similar lines only. Landaru Jodu Gattitenemi, etc., etc. Illalu Som Gattitenemi, etc. But this is different. So, anybody else? It's Manasu Nilpa. Somidamma Sogasogandra Gorite Somayaji Swargandru Dauno. So that is the line that comes. So that's the line there. Next, move on. Long ago, I was worshipped by the sage who came out of a pot. The Lord is in a triangle. Harish?
This is Trikona Madhyagatam Vadapi Ganapati.
That's right. It is Vadapi Ganapatim. Pura Kumbha Sambhava Muni Vara Prapujitam Trikona Madhyagatam. That's the one. When you kicked Yama, did your leg suffer a sprain?
This is Nadamadi Tirindha Umadikal.
The correct reference, Siddharth, yes, please.
This is Yenneramum Urkale.
Correct. It is Yenneramum. Yamanai Udaita Bodu Yedir Shulukku Yeri Nondo. That is the line. So that is the exact translation. So then the next one is a very simple one. When there is milk, why go after liquor? Tasmac shops are all closed at this point of time. Harish?
This is Tyagaraja's Kalyani song. This is Chakani Rajamargam.
Okay, we give it to you. It is Chakani Rajamargam. So, next, the last one in our round. Am I a doll to be played with? Harish? Sorry, Siddharth, not Harish. Yeah.
நான் ஒரு விளையாட்டு பொம்மையா நவரச கன்னடா.
Fantastic. So where do we stand on our scores? We've come to the end of the round. So who is first, who is second, who is third? Congratulations, Siddharth with 1,200. Well done. Aditya with 500 and Harish with 400. Fantastic. Thank you very much.
We will be sending the prizes to the participants who won. So
what is the definition of who won? Is 1, 2, 3 or
1, 2, 3?
That we have to take a call because this is a very late announcement.
Okay. All right.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. See you.
Thank you, Sriram sir.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks to everyone. Yeah.
Really nice experience.
Thanks a lot. Thanks. And do watch the puppet show that's going to come now in half an hour. And then also the game Maze that's going to happen tonight at 10 p.m.
Is it a Sivaratri? Rakutsa?
It's just till 11. The night is still young.
Yeah, it's a carnival.
It was a great experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Ramakrishnan,
Thank you.
Yes, yes, sir.
tomorrow, if I want to watch the quiz, how do I get to see
It'll
the quiz
be
tomorrow?
live on Facebook, sir. On Supratham Foundation's page.
Sorry,
Yeah, all events will be live on Facebook.
only on Facebook, not on Zoom. Great.
Yeah, not on Zoom.
Thanks a lot. Then. Yeah, bye. I'm signing
Thank you. Thanks you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks a
Bye-bye.
lot.
Got to read a lot
Thank you.
of
Bye.
articles, so that was